Hey, Hindavi, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you, Mutti.
Shall we sing a song to Amma?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Amma. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Amma. Happy birthday to you. So, finally, we have few tasks for you today because it's birthday today. Sasra, can you go and get it, please?
Oh my God, what is the task? I am so excited for that one.
You have to complete all the
You prepared the task. Oh my God.
Now,
You guys did something big for me.
with the help of kids, we prepared some task list for you. You should answer all of them to get a gift for today, your birthday gift. If you don't answer it correctly, if you tell him some lies, you will not get that gift. Yeah, am I right, kids?
Yeah.
I know.
So, let's
That
start.
is messing me like anything.
Let's start now.
Okay.
I know, Daddy, what is
If
wrote
you
in
lose,
that
you
one.
still win. First task.
You are gonna read that one?
It's actually question. Yeah. Not.
No.
Around 10 of tasks are there.
Wait a minute. Did you cross this line or it's still
Okay,
there?
let me read it for you. If you got a gift from the God, means if you got a power from the God, what would you do with the power? What do you think, you want the power to do?
That is a tough question for me.
What? So can you answer the question?
Yeah.
Tingchi.
I'm
You don't
thinking.
remember.
Think,
If
Jesse.
you don't get them correct, you don't get your present.
If I get the power,
Any power. Any power. But what would you do with that power? Tell us first. You have to tell which power would you get. Then you tell us what you will do with the power.
I'll make you happy with that power.
What power? What kind of power is that? You don't get your birthday present if you
If
tell
I
like
get,
this.
if I get some power, I will get so many toys for you.
Wow, so many toys.
Yay!
With
Toy
that-
power!
with
Toy
that-
power!
With that power, I will just look. I want so many powers like that. I will do. So
All
so
of
many
them.
toys I will get. With that power, I
Any toy.
Yeah.
Any toy.
సో టాయ్ పవర్ కావాలా?
నాకు పవర్ వస్తే నేను ఏది కావాలంటే అది కోరుకుంటా. అప్పుడు చాలా
అలా
toys
బాబు,
నా పిల్లలకి.
ఒకటే పవర్ ఉంటుంది. ఏది కావాలో అది ఉండదు. ఒక పవరే ఉంటుంది.
ఒకటే పవర్ ఉంటే
Like cake power, cupcake power, like flying power.
టాయ్స్
Laser ice
కి చాలా
power.
టాయ్స్ కొంటాను నేను.
టాయ్స్ కొంటుందంట. ఓకే. శాస్త్ర, స్వరిత్, కెన్ యూ ఓపెన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్? స్వరిత్, కెన్ యూ ఓపెన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్? ఓపెన్ చేయమ్మా. And read it for Amma. See, look this side.
What was life like for you at my age?
వాళ్ళ ఏజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు లైఫ్ ఎలా ఉండేది? Tell some memories of you.
I'm so happy. I used to have so much place to play, like playground. Like your age means I may 8 years like that you are asking, right? So 8 years means so what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm definitely going to school. My school used to finish by 2 p.m. After that, I used to watch movies or some cartoons by 5 p.m. and I used to play like anything. I also have my brother. I used to play with him. I used to enjoy myself like anything.
Okay. What about the guys should kids should approve your answer. Is there enough kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Kids are satisfied. So next question వెళ్దాం. శాస్త్ర, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఊతి అమ్మా.
Okay, I have to answer these all 10 questions now.
నీ బర్త్డే కాబట్టి నువ్వే ఆన్సర్
Oh
చేయాలి.
no. This is going
It
to
is
be a
just
fun
like a
one.
task for me.
Yeah, this is going to
Not like my
be
brother.
like this. 2 lines of
ప్రపోజల్
proposal to daddy, your hubby.
2 lines of proposal.
ఈ సందర్భంగా డాడీ
No, I should zoom now.
అని తెలుసుకుంటున్నారు అనమాట.
Okay, now I have to
Proposal.
have 2 lines of. Or else you can't get a birthday present. if you don't get, you can't get a birthday present.
Just propose 2 lines of proposal. At least 2 lines should be there. Otherwise kids will not be satisfied. Kasasra?
Instead of 1 line,
No.
we won't satisfy. And we won't give you a birthday present. I'll be satisfied.
Okay, thank you for giving me these wonderful gifts.
No, we don't.
This is a proposal, not for best of luck or congratulations.
We are not giving you a birthday present if you don't.
Okay, I love you.
What is it?
I love you.
It's only 3 letters. I need at least 2 sentences, 2 words, 2 sentences.
One sentence.
I love you, my love.
One sentence is over.
I love you so much. Lots of love.
Second
Lots
sentence is
of
over.
showers of love.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Daddy
take.
satisfy all.
Okay, next one. Saitu, you should take it. Saitu, తీయమ్మా.
మీ అన్ని డాడీకి ఇష్టం వచ్చింది రాసుకుంటారా మొత్తం?
Drawing Google. What's one of your earliest memory which we don't know?
What is one of your earliest memory which we don't know?
Yeah, memory which we don't know.
Yeah, I went to Europe that you don't know.
What? You went to Europe? But I also want to come.
I went to Switzerland with
No.
Daddy in
Oh, I
2018
know
June. I left you both in grandma's house that you never don't know. That always you think that before you
But we saw the photo,
you
the
born,
photo.
I went, but I didn't went before you born. I
You
went
went to-
only I went to US before you people born.
Three
That's it.
countries? Three
Yeah.
countries you went without us?
Yeah, before you born, I went US. There I have went to Las Vegas and all those things. That is a very, very wonderful
I
moment.
know.
and
I only
yes,
went to
moment.
3 countries: Singapore, India, and Malaysia. That's
No,
all.
you
Nothing
went to
else.
Hong Kong also. You don't know
Hong
that.
Kong and Langkawi.
Yeah,
You went to Hong Kong, you went to Malaysia, you went to where?
Legoland.
Yeah, you went there, right?
You went more.
You both
You went
you both
more.
won't eat much, right? So with the pizzas, you can't survive so much so long.
I eat pizza.
No, at that time when I went, you used to eat.
You're not eating
nothing
pizza at that time, by that time.
Pizza, even pizza, I also don't like.
Okay. What else? Do you have anything else to say?
Is there
That
anything else
only.
you need to say?
Yeah, that's it. Wherever we go, you both should eat.
Okay, next question, please.
Okay. Let's say yes. 10 names starting with letter S. You have 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm counting.
Sorry, Sasra Sachinarayan Murthy.
10 names
10.
in 30 seconds.
Oh, sorry, Sasra Sachinarayan Murthy, Satya,
Six.
Satya Bama.
10 seconds over.
That's enough. It's
Ah,
our
no,
family.
no, 10.
All of us in a family. Starting with letter S is all in a family.
Srinivas, Sriram,
Okay, Inka.
20 seconds over.
Sai,
25 seconds. 2 more.
Satya Bama,
1 more. 28 seconds.
Savitri.
30 seconds. Yeah, Amma did it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Next question is your turn. Okay.
What's the question, Sarit? It should.
What do you like to shop online?
I want to shop online many things.
What many things? Can you please list out them?
I recently I gave the link like Chromecast because ours is not the LED TV.
What about
so-
iPhone 11?
Yeah.
iPhone 11.
Please don't give any ideas which will screw me up.
What about iPhones? What
Yeah.
about iPhones and iPad everything?
Dishwasher machine,
That was a lot of cost.
finish it, daddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Air fryer, so so many things I want to buy from online.
Mostly LED, which connects to TV.
May God
Yeah,
bless you
what
to
for
give
you
all
and
the
me?
wishes you have. May God
Anything
bless you.
else you want to want?
What is your Sasra? What is your question?
Anything else you want?
Anything else you want to buy?
That's it. I love you both.
Huh?
My
You want to
hubby.
buy us? You want to buy
You-
us?
వాళ్ళు కొంటావు ఆన్లైన్లో నువ్వు
Buy us?
వాళ్ళు కొంటావు ఆన్లైన్లో ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ప్లీజ్
Okay.
Who's the
My
chance
turn.
now?
My turn.
అనే
So
ఇష్టం
what do you want to buy? Ask now.
Sasra turn.
Daddy will buy for me that one now.
God will bless you.
This one. Let's see. That's crazy. Let me see what's this one. What do you want or wish? Wait, what do you want or wish most for your kids?
Plan చేసి బాగా రాసుకున్నారు అన్ని.
We wrote it down all today.
What do you want to be kids to be? What do you wish for kids?
They want to success more in life. They don't want to cry at all. They
No.
should be very happy forever. They should not cry at all.
No, no, we don't
Sometimes
accept
they
it.
are very
We
much
don't
crazy.
accept
I
it.
don't want that crazy things.
No, we don't accept it.
Why?
We
You
don't
have to
accept
accept
it.
me because
No.
today is my choice. So
No.
you cannot.
No,
You
we
have to
told you, we
accept.
told you, we can't. If you don't want to accept, you have to tell another one.
And
You can't have the
Sasra
same
is
mind.
very much picky eater. She won't eat at all.
Oh, that's why you.
I don't accept.
She want to eat more.
Okay, Swariti is saying something.
Lentil
Something.
rice, everything.
I
she
don't
want to
accept. You're over. The next one. This is
Too crazy.
too silly
Next
and
order.
crazy.
If something I tell you, people will tell that was the
You're
crazy
really
thing.
crazy and
Because
lazy.
you are doing the
Never
crazy
mind.
thing.
Here you go.
Sasra, okay.
Do you say? Oh, sit down.
Still more. How
Where
many
do you
questions are
want to travel after Corona? What's the best trip you
Yeah, of course, snow.
have ever
Where
taken?
snow is there on the will.
Switzerland.
Switzerland, Kulu Manali,
What?
and I want to ship from here.
Switzerland, you already went through.
Yeah, then Kulu Manali, Shimla, somewhere. So okay.
Maybe crocodile.
No. What crocodile? Yeah, that's it. I want to go US also, of course.
Okay, my turn.
Because I was in Singapore.
Okay. What do you like to order today? Pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
But we already ordered pasta. Do you know that?
Is that so?
Pasta from Pasta Mania.
Oh.
మరి ఏం చేద్దాం మరి ఆ పాస్తా
Daddy will eat, of course. Daddy is a big teddy bear eater.
ఓకే
We'll pass it to Daddy. That's it.
we told you lies we did not order anything as of
I
now
know that.
పిజ్జా ఆర్డర్ చేస్తాము
Accepting that.
పిజ్జా ఆర్డర్ చేస్తాము తర్వాత అయితే ఓకే డీల్
Wait, there's one more question for Anya. It's my turn.
Why?
There's one last question.
Oh, what's the left?
And then the prize will come.
Oh,
Yeah,
is this
then
one?
your gift will come.
Oh, wow.
Then we'll cut the cake.
no there are few more tasks in between don't tell to Amma now
Who do you like the most? Only one piece.
only one of us
One of us.
Oh, this was the very critical to me to answer. So, this one's so biased.
so are you giving up
This one's so biased question. So
I don't know what is
cannot tell.
bias. This answer the question.
Okay. You both.
But no, it's only one.
only one
Okay, sorry.
no how can you
Okay, Sahasra.
okay 3 of them you can say 3 of the names
Okay, sir. Okay, Daddy.
okay so all of us that is what mama's answer
This one is biased question. Don't prepare like
So,
this biased
can
question
we-
for me.
Okay, can we give you a gift?
This one is biased.
అమ్మకి బర్త్డే కేక్ ఇచ్చారా
Yeah. Yeah. And now we have one more surprise left.
one more surprise oh
The cake looks so yummy. I want to eat it right now.
ఏంటి కేక్లు ఇవి?
The chocolate one looks so yummy. I want to eat it. Me too. Without the strawberry. I don't like strawberries. Me too.
ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ వన్ తీసుకురండి అమ్మ నెక్స్ట్ వన్.
Woo! Okay.
ఓకే ఇదిగో. ఓకే
Sister, this is yours. This is yours.
ఓకే ఓపెన్ చేయి.
డాడీ కూడా గ్రీటింగ్ కార్డా ఈసారి? ఓహో పోయి పోయి.
I did the heart. I did the
Wifey,
heart.
mummy.
Yeah, I did the hearts.
Yeah, that I'm getting that one because you've done that. You're expert in that one, right?
పట్టుకో.
So,
Always you give
open
పట్టుకో.
the heart. It says a heart. It is a normal heart. It says a normal heart.
అది లాస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు తీయద్దు ఇప్పుడు అది తీయద్దు ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్లో.
And now, now is here.
yours.
నౌ సహస్రాజ్ గిఫ్ట్. యూ షుడ్ గెస్ హైంద్వి.
I'm not telling anything.
నువ్వు గెస్ చేయాలి నీ గిఫ్ట్ ఏంటో తర్వాత మరి అవన్నీ చూసుకో అవన్నీ క్లూస్ అవన్నీ నీకు.
Mama, today is awesome birthday. Who is very special to us? Oh, Hedidi.
Amma, don't laugh in mine because Daddy did this everything and I did this all by myself.
లే నేనేం చేయలేదు అది.
So now can I tell you
Dress.
what these are all for?
Dress,
Can I tell you what are all of
handbags,
these?
and some
Open.
accessory. Mama,
Mama.
lipstick.
అది చూడకు మమ్మ
bangles.
అది ఓపెన్ చేయది సెకండరీ
Mama.
ఫస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయి.
Love.
మమ్మ అను శాస్త్రి ఒకసారి మమ్మ అని ఒకసారి
Mama.
మమ్మ అని మమ్మ అని.
We both were playing.
So now
she
can I,
gave me
so
mama.
can I tell you
I don't know.
what are these all
ఆగో
for?
నో 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 నో.
No, I'm just gonna tell. So
Hand.
these are all for
Mm-hmm.
online shopping.
Oh.
We are giving you choices, which is the bag and a necklace and a dress. We are giving
ఏదే
you choices.
ఏమన్నా చెప్పు. బ్యాగ్ ఉంది.
Bag and a necklace and a dress, lipstick and bangle. Okay.
Oh.
We are giving you choices for the
టుడే
online
someone
shopping.
birthday who is very special to us.
Wow,
And
Sasra, very
this
nice,
one
very
is
nice one, this one.
hearts.
And this one
and
is
this one is
and
mama.
this one are my favorite.
I like.
Coloring one.
Actually, I like the necklace and the purse. The
Just telling
Okay,
don't
now
laugh at
Swarit one. Swarit
He
one now.
done for me. Wow, see how nice this one.
Now, no,
Very
a surprise
nice.
for you. See this?
Okay, did you take pic of this one? Wow, this one.
open it.
What is this button?
Open
Open.
Oh, button. Button one.
button.
That's with
Magic
glue tag.
crystal.
That's with glue tag. That's with.
Open this two in the end. Mom, lipstick, bangle, dress, chain. This is one handbag. You
And this
didn't
is
wrote this
magic
one.
Wallet.
crystal.
Wallet.
This is a
Handbag.
magic crystal.
Magic crystal.
Magic crystal. Wow. Price.
प्यारी माँ
Mystery.
जन्मदिन
First
की
prize.
शुभकामनाएं.
Ah, Shubhakamnaye.
Because Swarit language.
Shubhakamnaye.
Swarit favorite language is Hindi.
French, right? But you didn't write anything in French.
Because I don't know how to write it in French. I don't know, and I don't know how to speak it, and you don't know how to speak. Now open
you can
this.
write,
Open
right?
it.
You can Google it somewhere and you can write.
I'm gonna open it.
Price? You won $500 for your shopping spree. Is that so?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a
You
lot
can
of
online
fun.
shopping anything because we don't know what you want. So you can online shopping for
Yes.
anything you want.
That's a lot of gift on online. Wow, that's a lot of gift from
After
you.
this video, after with this, we'll give you $500. Then you can take our online shopping because we don't know what you want, so I can get.
That's a lot of money. Who gave you that much money? Daddy? Is your daddy present? Or you all are going to present us?
What about the makeup set? Wait. No.
Is this my birthday or your birthday?
You
You're
can
asking
keep it.
the
I don't
gift.
need this anymore.
This is my heart. This is just like rocket. You
There's a
put
rocket.
them-
There's a heart shape. That is not rocket. This is a heart shape.
Okay, open it.
It's,
Open the
it's
heart.
allowed to.
Open it.
It's
Open it.
allowed to mommy.
Oh,
Open it.
that's a lot of gift for me this time. Happy shopping online. Wow, superb. Superb, Sasra.
No, I didn't do it. Not in it.
Yeah, these
How
guys
can you
are
give
very
my
much-
credit to Sahasra? That's my credit. My greeting card. That's my greeting card. How can you give the credit to her?
That's what I am asking. Is that
Nowadays,
anything?
all
Thank you
weight
very much.
from me is taken away, and taken away by three of you guys.
Thank you, Sasra. Thank you, Muti Babu, very much.
You want
Thank you,
$100.
Swarit. How much? That much money. It was a lot of money for me. So where we will go? Somewhere we'll go now.
On online shopping.
If Daddy gives me that Dynasty voucher, what I do?
Yeah, we are giving you Dynasty motion.
You take that all. I don't want
Yeah.
10,000.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, children, and
Happy
of course,
birthday,
Murthy
Mama.
Babu, very much. This I cannot forget this birthday forever in my life. I love you, my kids. And this girl is a naughty girl.
I'm flipping
From
it.
yesterday, she's planning like anything for with her dad.
Okay, I'm gonna have this cake. I want to have this cake.
Okay, enjoy your cake. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you for the wonderful cake.
Which one you want to eat?
Bye.
La 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 la.